All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Still here at ICAST 2023, and now I'm in the Valley Fashions booth. I got my good friend Dan here, and we've known each other for a long time, and I've been getting my jerseys through Valley Fashion for I don't know 8, 9, 10 years or something like that at least. And so I just wanted to kind of do a video on the process for designing the jerseys, and also all the different options that you have nowadays, because it seemed like 10 years ago you really just had the option of different collars and maybe a short sleeve or something like that. But nowadays, like, he can do anything. I mean, Valley Fashions, they can do just about anything. They've done, well, you've done swimsuits and all kinds of stuff in the past, right?
Yeah, we've tried swimsuits. We had a particular elite guy back in the day wanted us to do dog clothing. Didn't go over so well. That didn't work, but we did try it because.
Did his last name start with an M?
No, it didn't start with an M. But his jersey's hanging up on the wall here behind us. But I'll let you figure out who it is. But we've known a lot of people for a lot of years, do a lot of things. And what Miles is saying, we've progressed over the years. We did originally have one basic jersey, little stand collar, which a lot of guys still like and wear and love. But the fabrics have gotten newer. Our best-selling fabric right now is our UV jersey fabric.
Right.
It's got an SPF of 63 on it. It blocks 97.2 a UVA, 98.8 a UVB. This fabric will allow you to stay out in the sun all day without burning up. We make a hooded jersey for the guys when they're out there at 100-degree days, so they got to be out fishing on the water. You put the hood up, you keep the sun off your head, the sun off your neck, the sun off your arms. You're not getting dehydrated, you're not burning up, and it's got light, breathable, quick drying fabric that's easy to fish with because you're not getting jammed up in it, because it's just so nice and cool and flowy on the body.
Yeah, the ones that I generally run with on tour, obviously this one right here, I really started, what is this collar called?
We just call this our quarter zip stand collar. We've been doing it as our pro jersey for years and years and years.
I like the quarter zip just because it covers up my hairy neckline here. But I like the quarter zip. I used to use just a traditional round neck collar, which also looks good. Yeah, this one right here. My buddy Cody. Cody Detweiler. Yeah.
There you go.
That's his jersey right there. Shout out to Cody Detweiler and his dad. Right there, Jason Christie. So this one is also one that I get. So usually I get 3 different types of jerseys. Well, including some that I'm going to show you pretty soon here. But I do just this quarter zip now. I like this one. I do a hoodie, sun hoodie. I love the sun hoodie, because I want to wear my jersey, and support all my sponsors, promote them while I'm on the water. So if a camera guy comes up, I don't want to have to get out of my regular sun hoodie and put on my jersey. So it's nice to have a sun hoodie that does all of that. And then I do one of the sweatshirts. And you actually have a jersey or a jacket too that you've done too.
Yeah. Somebody's moving my jacket around.
Yeah. So this jacket, it's not 100% waterproof, is it? But it's very water resistant.
Yes, it's water resistant. The waterproofing is at various stages. There's an 8,000, a 10,000, a 20,000, and 50,000 in waterproofing. This is an 8,000 waterproofing, but the win on this thing is it's a 3,000 gram windproofing. So this thing stops the wind, blocks some of the rain, mist in the morning when you're flying across the lake. This is ideal because that little bit of splash that comes at you, this will block that, keep you dry, keep you warm. And when you get there, the membrane in the middle is rubber, so it actually stretches around you, so you can slap it into neutral, the boat's still gliding in, you pick up your rod, you don't have to take your jacket off. With the rubber, it still allows you to get those first 5 casts out there to see if there's any fish in that hole. If there's not, you're back into your life jacket and you're gone. You've never taken your jacket off, and you're on to spot number 2 to see if that's where they're hiding today.
Right. Ooh, good presentation. Dan.
Happens to be my jacket.
Look at that,
jacket, folks.
But
I'm a bit of a cat fisherman, so
this one I really do enjoy, especially early season, or like especially the April mornings. Man, this is a really good one. And again, it's all about promoting the brands that help us do this for a living. And it doesn't stop at, you know, bass fishing. It could be anything. It could be any sport. You could have a business that you want to promote. You can make all these different types of you know, garments to promote your business. You know, it doesn't have to stop at fishing.
We do a lot of stuff with the Arctic Cat group, with the
cool.
FXR group.
Cool.
We do a lot of stuff for dealers. If you're a dealer and you need a dealer network, we've
yeah,
done
look at
the
that.
Yamaha
Awesome.
5-star program.
Nice
little
polo.
golf shirt,
Yeah.
polos. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. But check this out, guys. Check this out. All right, so this makes my heart happy when I see this thing. Look at this little baby Burghoff. Look at this thing. This is what my 3.5-month-old daughter wears. 3.5-month-old daughter. Riley, she wears this, and she is the cutest in this little jersey. So he can do just about anything. If you ask him, you know, for anything, really, he'll try to make it work. Dan, that's one of the things that over the years, man, I've really appreciated, you know, working with you, is the fact that you're willing to be like, oh, that sounds like a neat idea. We'll try it. You know, you're willing to try it. If it doesn't work, you don't put it on the website, but you're willing to try just about anything.
But at the same time, Miles, you guys have asked me for some things that I have been able to do.
Yeah.
And I've told you that right off the top.
Right.
Because I don't have time for it, and you don't have
Right,
time
yeah,
for
yeah,
it.
yeah.
If we can do it, or if we think we can do it, we're going to give it everything we got
Right.
to make it work.
Well,
And if we're not going to waste anybody's time.
Yeah, this thing, I asked for this, and I couldn't be happier to have my little girl Riley wear this. It's awesome. So, but anyways, thank you, Dan, for you know, spending some time with me. But if you guys are interested in getting a jersey or a jacket or a hoodie, sun hoodie, whatever it is, with whatever logos on it, make sure you check out Valley Fashion. What's the website?
VFOutdoors.com. V for Valley, F for Fashions, Outdoors.com. VFOutdoors.com.
Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll see you out on the water. Trust the process.